In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this start math question easily and fast. Alright, so let's look at the question and see whether it's something we have to use a calculator to solve faster. So the question says a teacher is creating an assignment worth 70 points. The assignment will consist of questions worth 1 point and questions worth 3 points. Which equation represents this situation? Okay, we have the equations as in the options. So we have where x represents the number of y point questions and y represents the number of 3 point questions. So guys, looking at this question, I don't think it's something we need a calculator to solve faster. What you need here is to interpret this question correctly and you'll be good to go. So let's interpret it together. So from the question we have here, let's say, so it's going to be each 1 point question adds s points, okay, whereas each 3 point questions adds 3y points. Okay, so the total now will not be added. Okay, x plus 3y equals was 70 points, and that will be the answer. The right answer is option D. Okay, so it's as simple as this. I don't think we need a calculator to solve this. Alright, the question is straightforward. The right answer is option D. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting premium information how to solve other start math questions like this, and you'll be good to go. Alright, so having done this, click the link below and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.